S&P 500 Index SPX Daily and Weekly Chart Analysis, a look at long-term trends. In the next few minutes, we will analyze the long-term trends of the S&P 500 Index, SPX, and discuss the strategies that can be employed to protect investors from bear markets. We will also examine recent market movements and economic reports that may impact the index's performance. Last week's performance. Despite a steep midweek sell-off, the S&P 500 Index, SPX, managed to erase the loss and end the week with a gain of about 75%. This positive momentum continued into the current week, with the index closing at 4769.83 and a gain of 0.32% for the full week. Conservative strategy. The conservative S&P 500 strategy aims to protect investors from bear markets by enduring short-term declines without triggering sell signals. This strategy is based on long-term chart analysis and does not make changes based on emotions or news events. It allows for fluctuations in the market and avoids attempting to time every small up and down movement. Bull and Bear Report. The aggressive Bull and Bear Report follows short-term indicators in more detail. It analyzes the market's short-term movements and provides insights for traders who are actively managing their portfolios. Current chart analysis. The S&P 500 Index, SPX, experienced a single-day sell-off last week with a drop of approximately 1.5%. The Nasdaq 100 Index, NDX, also suffered a similar decline, while the Dow Industrials dropped 475 points. However, the SPX rebounded and almost reached its previous high, indicating a potential end to the holiday rally and the start of the new year. Small cap stocks. Small cap stocks, represented by the Russell 2000 Small Cap ETF, IWM, have finally broken out. After being stopped 3 times at the 196 level in the past year and a half, IWM broke through this level 2 weeks ago. This breakout may support a continued rally, although profit-taking could slow down the momentum. Market outlook. Trading volume and economic reports were lower than usual due to the holiday season. Despite this, U.S. stocks finished lower on the final trading day of the year, following record highs earlier in the week. The SPX added 24.7% in 2023, and small caps breaking above the 196 level is seen as a significant bullish indicator. Expert opinion. Michael Wilson, Morgan Stanley's top equity strategist, suggests that the Federal Reserve's actions could guide the U.S. economy towards a sweet spot for the market. If successful, small-cap stocks and other underperforming sectors could continue to rally, as seen in the everything rally that began in November 2023. Market-moving economic reports. The yield on the U.S. 10-year Treasury note dipped to its lowest level since July 21st, as the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates in the coming year. The S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller 20-City Home Price Index in the U.S. also saw a surge of 4.9% year-on-year in October 2023, the largest increase since November 2022. This increase is attributed to a shortage of available homes for sale and the Federal Reserve's accommodative stance. Conclusion. Despite end-of-week selling, all major indexes recorded gains for the full week. The SPX position in the conservative strategy remains bullish, and aggressive traders may consider the Ridex Nova S&P 500 Fund, RINVEX, or other bullish S&P 500 index funds or ETFs. The market outlook suggests that small-cap stocks and underperforming sectors could continue to rally, supported by the Federal Reserve's actions and positive economic indicators. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.